welcome back to the channel. Y'all, first off, excuse the noise in the back, I'm sorry. But welcome back to the channel. Today I am making myself a dress for a wedding that I have coming up, and it's all black. So I found this really pretty fabric that I'm going to use to create this dress, and I think I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the dress ended up looking like right here, so that you know what you have to look forward to in this video. Before we get started, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, comment down below. I also just want to say thank y'all for all the support that you guys showed me on my series for the prom dress. It went really well. I was super proud of that. But now we're on to the next project, okay? And that is this dress. Unfortunately, I can't draw to show you like my inspiration, and that's why I wanted to show you what it looked like beforehand. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I ended up making a pattern, like a basic bodice pattern, and I'm just gonna use that to make the pattern for the actual dress. And this should be super simple. I'm super excited, again, just to create another piece that's in my head and get it out. So this is the fabric that we have. Like I said, the wedding is all black, and I thought that this fabric was really, really cute. It has a little character with the, what are these? It has a little character with the little rhinestones on it. So I really like this fabric, and I think we can create something really cute with this. So yeah, this is a two-way stretch, not a four-way stretch. So I do got to make sure I cut and make the dress on the right angle, or if I put it on, it ain't gonna be stretching, okay? Okay, so I got my pattern pieces adjusted how I think that should be for the one shoulder, and then the back is just gonna be a flat back upper chest. So I got those adjusted, and now I'm about to start cutting my fabric, because that's pretty much it. This one's super simple to do, and yeah, I'm about to start laying this fabric out.
Got these fears on my back trying to weigh me down, but I know I ain't meant just to wear that crown.
Okay, so I got the front and the back cut out. Now I need to create I want like this braid piece across the one shoulder. So I just need to measure, actually, I'm probably gonna have to make it longer than what I need because I can't freaking see. But I'm just gonna estimate 21 inches. So I'm gonna make 3 pieces that are 21 inches long, probably by, I think I'll make 21 inches by 3 inches. That way we'll end up with about a 2.5 inches once it's flipped inside out. So I'm gonna have to make those strips now, then we'll work on the bottom part. I wanna do like a bubble hem, so that'll be what the bottom part will look like. But I'll work on that after I work on these strips.
Slow down, sis. Soft restraint. I used to fight just to feel in control. Got it hard, heavy mind, couldn't let things go. But grace taught me love is a softer road. Strength and peace, that's how I grow. Soft instead of hard, yeah, I'm learning my role. Patience in my voice, sweetness in my soul. Still strong, but the fruit's what he knows. Love is a light, and I'm letting it show. I choose peace. I choose
So I made the braid piece that I want to put across, but as you can see, it is too short to reach the back. So I think I'm gonna have to make like another one. So I think I'm gonna have to make like 3 more pieces, and I can do it like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to make another one of these because that's the only way it's gonna reach.
And I know the enemy waits for a moment, trying to pull me back where I don't belong. Yeah. But I clung to his word and he spoke it. I made you stronger, keep going. Yeah. Still standing, I don't break. Temptation rising, but it's grace outweighs.
Okay, y'all, I finally got the little braid piece pinned how I want it, and then I'll just have to connect it to the back of the dress. This is just gonna be like a little slip-on type dress, no zipper or anything, no zipper. So this is what it kind of looks like. Y'all know me. You gotta try to get the vision. So let me see if I can show you without sticking myself. So it's gonna be a one shoulder like this. And it's gonna fit like this. This part is gonna connect to the back of the dress. So it'll be like a little braided piece right here, really cute. It's coming along, it's coming along. I hope this thing fits. It looks kind of big, but every time something looks too big, it be fitting. I'm just gaining weight and I need to come to the realization of those things. Anywho, I think I'm about to hand sew this. So let me get to it. Okay, y'all, so I got the dress literally like 85% done, but I tried it on the best I could and it doesn't fit. It's way too big. I don't know where I went wrong. So right now I'm about to do a couple measurement adjustments and try to fix this because we got a wedding to go to. Yeah, I'm not buying no dress, so this is gonna have to work. We're gonna do this, okay? It's gonna work. So I'm about to do those measurement adjustments and I'll come back to y'all. Okay, so I finally got the dress sized properly and it looks so much better. Now, I don't know what happened with my measurements. So now I'm just about to put the hem at the bottom of the skirt, the bubble hem. I'm working on that part, and then I'll just be cleaning up some areas at the top that weren't fitting how I want them to. So yeah, let's get back into it.
Let the saints all sing. Hold that line, never bow to a thing. Royal blood, what you thought this is. Feed that time, holy nation. All praise as our motivation. New moonlit, no hesitation. We keep commandments, elevation. Feed that time, dedication. Heaven for the truth, no imitation. All night vibe, celebration.
Okay, so for this bubble hem, I want to do double the length of the bottom of the dress. So when it ruches, it'll be a nice ruche, but it'll be the length of the dress. And right now we're a little bit over double the length of the dress, which is fine. I could just cut it off, but I'm gonna leave it longer just in case, so I can give myself some wiggle room. All right, so the white lines I just drew, I'm going to put a straight stitch over 'em. Oh, let me turn this off, because they talking while I'm talking. So the white lines that I drew on this fabric, I'm gonna make a straight line, and we're gonna gather. That's it. And then we're gonna attach it to the bottom of the dress. Y'all look at this. Look at him in the window. Y'all see him in the window. That's crazy. I'm gonna tell my man right now.
When I felt far away, your voice called me out like, daughter, come change. I was broken, I was blind, didn't know who I was, but you showed me my design, pulled me back with your love. All the lies, they fed my spirit, I'm releasing above. Now I stand in who I am, yeah, I rise from the dust. I've been trying through the
Okay, y'all, so the bottom has been giving me the blues, not gonna lie, but I think I finally got it to where I need it so we can sew it together. So this is what the bottom looks like right now. I'm just pinned together. I actually decided not to do that middle squiggly part y'all saw me do. I just did 2 straight lines, and it looks pretty bubbly with this fabric. It looks really good. So I'm gonna sew it all together now, and that'll be the major part done. I just have to tighten up the top, and that's it. So let's get to finishing this bottom part.
from it just so somebody would know me, but all it did was break me till the Most High restored me. Said, daughter, you mine, ain't no need to pretend. What they took, I return. What they broke, I...
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. What do we think? What do we think? I loved it. It was beautiful for the wedding. This is after the wedding. We're not gonna talk about why you don't have footage from that day. Just don't even worry about it. But this is the dress. It looks really good. I am so happy with how it turned out. Now, I'm not gonna lie. This dress gave me the blues. Okay, I even had to go to my grandma's house to get some help, because I don't know everything. And I was just like, oh my God, how am I gonna fix these problems? But they were super simple to fix. As my fiance would say, pull, pin, sew. So that's what we did. We pulled some stuff, pinned some stuff, and we sewed it down. It looked really good. It looks really good. Let me give y'all some closer looks. I love the bubble hem. Like, that's my favorite part of the dress, honestly. It's the hem. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the dress. Let me know if you like it. If you like this video, whatever your thoughts are, let me know down in the comment section below. But that's all I have for y'all this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.